If you want to upload files and folders to Google Drive quickly and easily, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Whether you're backing up important documents, sharing school projects, or organizing your work in the cloud, Google Drive makes it simple to store your files from almost any device. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look for the New button on the left side of the screen. This is where you start the upload process. Click the plus New button and you'll see a menu appear with several options. To upload individual files or even multiple files at once, choose File Upload. If you want to upload an entire folder with all of its contents, choose Folder Upload instead. This is really useful when you want to keep all your related files together without uploading them one by one. After you click the option you need, your computer's file picker will open. Now browse to the file or folder you want to upload. If you selected File Upload, you can choose a single file or hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac to select multiple files at once. If you selected Folder Upload, simply click the folder you want to add to Google Drive. Once you've made your selection, click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading your file or folder right away. You'll usually see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen, so you can keep track of how it's going. Now all you need to do is wait for the upload to finish. If the file is large, or if you're uploading a lot of items at once, it may take a little longer depending on your internet speed. You can keep working in Drive while it uploads in the background, which makes the process even more convenient. When the upload is complete, your files or folders will appear in your Google Drive storage, ready to open, organize, move, or share. If you uploaded a folder, Drive will keep the folder structure intact, so everything stays organized just the way you want it. A few quick tips before you go. Make sure your internet connection is stable, check that you're signed into the correct Google account, and remember that folder uploads work best on desktop browsers. If you ever need to find your uploaded content quickly, you can use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. And that's it. You now know how to upload files and folders to Google Drive in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.